algebra. So in that, the first thing which we will be discussing about is variable. In order to represent variable, we will be using small letters like A, B, we can go on till Z. But we have to make sure we will be using small letters. We will be using small letters. Now what is a variable? So we know that we will denote it with small letters of alphabets. Now coming to the next question, what are variables or what is variable? So variables or a variable is nothing but a thing whose value keeps on changing it. For example, we will take one scenario. Now I am having few chocolates with me which I don't know. I am having few chocolates with me which I don't know. For that chocolates I have added 10 more chocolates. For that chocolates which I was having initially, for that I have added 10 more chocolates. Now the total chocolates have become 40. Now the total chocolates have become 40. So since I don't know what was the initial chocolates which I was having it in the beginning, so I will keep that as X. I will keep that as X. Now how much plus 10 will be 40, children? How much plus 10 will be 40? How much, children? So 30 plus 10, it will be 40. So in the beginning, how many chocolates I was having it? 30. Now imagine one more example. Imagine one more example. Now I was having 25 chocolates with me. Imagine I was having 25 chocolates with me. From that I have taken some chocolates. How many it is, I don't know. Some chocolates I have taken it. How many? I don't know. And once after taking it, I am left with 15 chocolates. Now I am left with 15 chocolates. So what is it, children? I was having 25 chocolates in the beginning. Now from that I have taken some chocolates. After taking that I am left with 15 chocolates. Now I am left with 15 chocolates. So then 25 minus how much? It will be 15, children. So 25 minus how much? So since I don't know this, I will keep the value as X. So now 25 minus how much? It will be 15, children. Obviously 10. So if you observe here, this is X value only, it's 30, and here this is X value only, which is 10. So what I am trying to say is that, so here it's X itself, here also X itself, but the value in this sum of X is 30 and the value of X in this sum is 10. So if we take another sum, there we will get X value something else. We might get something else, right? So this is variable or variables whose value always or keeps on changing from sum to sum or situation to situation, right, children? So these are variables. These are variables. Now next concept, it's called constants. Constants. So now we'll try and understand what are constants. So constants are nothing but simple numbers. Simple numbers. Now unlike variables whose value keeps on changing, constants are the values whose value is constant. Now 25 in one sum and 25 in other sum, is there any difference? Is there any difference, children? No. 25 anywhere it is 25 itself. Now in the same way, if we take 10 or 100, all the numbers whose value is fixed, unlike variables. Now 10 here, 10 anywhere, its value will be same. Okay, children, this is constant.